Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, this is the electric oven, touch pen oven. It is also called induction cooker. Here it is switch on off buttons and timer plus minus for increasing the temperature as well as increasing the duration of operation of the heater. Electric heater or electric stoves we can use for cooking the food and boiling the water and eggs etc. And here it is different functions button, and here you can see the circle is used. You can put the pots, eating pots, cooking wares here inside the circle. Let's get started. Switch on the function. You can see different temperatures: 100 degrees centigrade, 130, 160, 210, 240, 270. Here we can decrease the temperature this way. You can select the temperature at which temperature you want to cook the materials, put vegetables or meat. And this one is the timer. You can set the timing. Press this one. 30 minutes, 29 minutes, 27, 26, 24 minutes. And this way you can adjust the time for cooking. As now it is buzzing, it indicates that nothing has been placed on the cooktop. So when you put something, here we have different kitchenwares. This one is the plate and the glass, plastic plate and steel plate, stainless steel plate, stainless steel glass, and we have iron cast fry pan, and we have the other silver pot, silver cookware. Only the stainless steel kitchenwares and the cast iron or the pure iron parts work on this induction cooker, but this aluminum or the other material like copper, aluminum or silver parts will not work on the induction cooker. So let's start with the one again. I select the temperature and put something like iron. Write on here. You will see that it stops buzzing now. Now increase the temperature and wait what happens. You can see it becomes very hot quickly. So it's very fast cooking stove. Within the few seconds it becomes very hot. Again it starts buzzing. So let's put then the stainless steel plate on it. So it is very fast because it eats the parts by automatic induction. By the farady law, it produces eddy currents inside the bottom of the parts. So it is very quickly. It heats the things very quickly. But here you can see it is still cold. The surface is cool, but it eats very quickly. It eats the parts by magnetic field. Changing magnetic field produce eddy currents. As you can see, AC current about 24 kilohertz AC is used to produce the magnetic field. Changing magnetic field, this magnetic field produces the eddy current, induction, induced voltage and induced current inside the bottom of the plates. By the resistance it becomes hot. So let's put the silver things on it. It will not work on it. It is still buzzing because the induction is not detecting anything. Aluminum or other good conductor becomes off automatically because the induction cooktop and the induction heater is not detecting any part which has been placed, because this is made of the aluminum and the silver, which is a good conductor, and because a good conductor provides no resistance to the current, and when there is no resistance, according to Joules law, no heat will be produced. And in the iron, and in other case, we explained that the skin depth of the aluminum and silver is very low, high skin depth, but iron has low skin depth. Due to the low skin depth, it becomes produce heating effect, and aluminum, copper, and other materials, good conductor, have high skin depth, and they do not provide the heating effect to by the changing magnetic field. So the function of this top is just provide the changing magnetic field to the upper surface, and this changing magnetic field produce the eddy current on the surface of the parts, and it becomes very hot. But if the surface area of the steel is very low, like the glass one, it also tool does not work on it. So let's check and become started. Put the glass in the center. It is still buzzing, although the steel works on this induction cooker, but the cross section area of the glass is very small, and the cooking stove is not detecting the glass which has been placed on it. So again, let's set the timer about 1 minute. After 1 minute, it turns off. So let's heat the water, boil the water on it. It is burning very quickly and efficiently. It saves the electricity about 60%, and it is very fast than other common conventional heaters, which works on the principle of conduction. It heats the parts by the electric field. Pour some more water on it. Automatically it becomes hot, because the time has been completed 1 minute. Its power is about 2000 watt, and its name is induction cooktop. You can buy for the market easily, and it's very smooth. It's still hot, and it has different functions. For example, here you can select the functions for it. For boiling, stove, this is the fry, for soup, and for deep fry. So you can select its function. It has very smooth surface. You must not touch after using more than 4 to 5 minutes, because this the surface of the glass becomes hard, because due to the heating of the vessels or the parts. So here you can see the cautions that heat retains from the cookware after use. Please do not touch it. So only the stainless steel cookware and the cast iron cookware works on this induction cooker. Other parts will not work. So thank you for watching our video. And from the back side we can see it is a fan, cooling fan. It works on, it is about 2100 watt and 220 volt to work induction cooker. Household use only, and here you can see its fan on the back side. So it's very important cooker for the kitchen. So thank you for watching our video.